In this video, I will show you how to set up Wise account. Process of setting up a Wise account on desktop computer and mobile phone are the same. You just need first to download your application on your mobile phone before setting up on your computer. To set up Wise account on your mobile phone, download the Wise app on iStore or Play Store. Enter your email address. Select here what the account is for. Select the country where you are most of the time. Enter your mobile phone number which you have not used with Wise from the past and wait for the code. Once you already enter the code, tap on Continue. Create your password here and tap on Register. Tap on Continue here and here. Choose the currency you are always using. Scroll to the very bottom and tap on I agree. You can skip this one by canceling it. We have a Wise account already. If you want also your Wise account be checked on computer, it will just send notification on your mobile app. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!